Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. Did you know you can earn money right here in two ways, utilizing a simple strategy right now to earn money on both CPA marketing right here and also on this platform right here called medium.org or medium.com. If you didn't know, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you could just simply do that right now in just simple steps. So do watch this video right now to the end to learn this simple trick and utilize that to make money online. If you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online, and if you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of cool videos that could help you out right now. You could also go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. You could actually do that right now. So diving right ahead into the video of today. If you're not familiar with this platform right here called medium.org, you will find out that this platform is a very cool platform that actually joins writers and readers together. This is a meeting place for people to go on to writing some cool content and also people to go on to start reading cool and amazing content. If you do come on to medium.com, you can actually see right here that you could stay curious and discover stories, thinking and expertise from writers on any topic. So you could just simply go on to start reading right now. You could actually go on to sign up for an account right here and you'll be brought to a page such as this where you can actually go on to clicking on write and you can actually go on to start writing your article. And the cool thing about this platform right here is that you can actually get paid once you write an article based on the amount of views you are getting to your article right now. Because if you go on to researching about that on Google, by going on to searching for medium earnings per view, you can see right here that you can earn up to $10 to $89 per 1,000 views right here on this particular platform called Medium. So this is a very cool way which you can earn money right now. So I'm going to walk you through how you could just simply generate an article and also go on to using that article to promote your CPA marketing offers that can enable you earn money with both CPA marketing and Medium at the same time right now. And this is very cool right here because if you can write an article yourself, it is quite cool. That can actually help you go on to making money on this platform right here. So, but if you can't do one right now yourself, I'm just going to show you how you could utilize this platform called ChatGPT to do so and also promote your CPA marketing offers right there. So if you come onto ChatGPT right here and I do show you an example of an article I did write, you can see right here the article says, or my prompt says, write an article on the benefit of weight loss because I'm focusing on the weight loss niche. And right now ChatGPT did write a very cool article. I also went on to asking ChatGPT to write a call to action for downloading a weight loss ebook, and it should actually note that the call to action will be added at the end of the article. So ChatGPT did write a very cool call to action right there, and this is quite cool and amazing right now. So all you need to do right now is utilize this content right here. Basically, I'm going to copy the content, which is the first article which ChatGPT did write. Head on to this platform called medium.com, click on write. And if I do click on write right now, I can just simply paste in that particular text right in here. Head on to the top section. You can see the title right here, which I'm just going to go on to cutting the title. And if I cut that, I'm just going to add that in this title section. So you can actually see how cool that looks like right now. So I'm going to delete this section and you can see how amazing that looks. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply give a space and actually head back to ChatGPT to copy the content, which is the call to action right now. So for the call to action, if I do copy that, I'm going to head back to Medium and paste that in right there. You can see this section that says download now. That's the section we're going to be linking with our CPA content locker right now. So for us to actually go on to giving them an ebook right here to download, we actually need to go on to embedding our content locker strategy right now to earn money with CPA marketing. So if you do come onto a CPA marketing platform like CPAGRIP, you can register for an account, and after registering, go on to login into your account. So once you do log into your account right now, come on to this URL file locker section by clicking on monetization tools, select URL file locker. You'll be brought to this page. You can create a simple URL file locker by clicking on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you can just simply come onto the template section. Actually do select a very cool template, maybe the file share template, go on to general, renaming the content locker based on your preference. Maybe I can actually select the weight loss file locker because I'm focusing on the weight loss niche. Right here in this locked URL, this is where we're going to be locking the URL to that particular ebook which we want to give out to our audience for free. And to do so, we could get PLR or ebooks from this platform called idplr.com. You could also head on to platforms like the free plrdownloads.com to get free ebooks right here that you could just simply go on to downloading. If I want to focus on the weight loss niche, I'm just going to select weight loss and actually do go into searching for that. I will be able to see ebooks related to weight loss. Select one of that ebook right now, and it's going to take me to the page where I could just simply click on the download icon right here, download the ebook, head on to a platform like mediafire.com, click on the upload icon after registering for an account and logging into the account, click on this plus icon, go on to uploading the ebook on this particular platform. I already have the ebook uploaded right here. You can see this is the ebook right now. I'm just going to click on this three dot right here, click on copy link, head on to that particular URL file locker, paste in the link in this section, and next you want to just simply edit these details to actually fit into that particular ebook. You could change the name, change the size, change the uploaded date and the last downloaded date. So if you do take a look at this right now, all this has actually been edited to fit into such details right now. Once you're done right here with this, just simply click on save. Your URL file locker will be created right now. Click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker and go on to promoting that right now. First of all, you actually need to create a simple landing page either with the breezy.io, systemy.io, Google Sites, Webflow, Warrior Plus, or any landing page builder site of your choice. There are lots of landing page builder sites you can actually grab hold of. If you want to learn how to create a simple landing page, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and you want to just simply go on to type in a landing page, click on enter. You'll be able to see a lot of cool videos that shows you how to create a simple landing pages on such platforms. So once you do actually create a simple landing page right now, you want to just simply go on to linking that landing page to your URL file locker, and to promote that, head on to medium.com and actually go on to that your article. Once you do select that right here, you can actually do click on this chain icon, click on this particular chain once more, paste in that link right now. And guys, since this was highlighted, once somebody do click on this section that says download now, it's automatically going to take them to that particular CPA marketing offer right there. So what you need to do right now, maybe I can actually do go into changing the text or the font color right now, or I could leave this as it is right here that says download now. So you can actually do see how cool that actually looks like right here. So once this has actually been done, all you need to do is to click on publish and follow the necessary procedures to publish this right here. As you can see, you could add a topic right now and you could just simply go on to publishing this right here. You could schedule this anytime you want and publish that on this platform. And the cool thing about this is that once your article is actually getting a lot of views right there, you're going to be making money both with medium.com right now, and once people are actually seeing that particular call to action at the end of your article, they will be interested in gaining access to that free ebook, of which they actually have to go through your URL file locker. And if they do go through that, complete an offer, you get paid and they're going to get their ebook. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone. So why not just simply leverage this simple strategy and use that to make money online? If the video did add some value to you, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bells on all. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.